Well guys, here's just more of me running in the rain because, like, honestly, it's just so much fun. And why wouldn't you run in the rain? Like, it's warm outside and the rain is like cold, so it just makes a perfect, like, a perfect thing. Like, just watch, just watch.
I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is better than it used to be. I didn't write a song about my ex today. But I called my friends and I told them we should hang out if it makes sense, 'cause I miss them and I hate being alone. Oh really? I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say everything sucks. Just kidding.
But always keep in mind, you're gonna have moments like this.
The thunder and lightning are like literally so close right now. Yeah, this is insane. I should probably go inside right now. Oh shit. Okay, time to go in. Oh shit, hell no. No way. That was literally so loud.
But I mean, most of them are good. So I mean, you know, we like the good ones.
You know you have problems when you're standing out in the rain and it's thundering.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, go run in the rain. Do it. It's amazing. Highly 10 out of 10 recommend. Everything is linked down in the description below. Include my page too. If you want to go support, you can. Everything's linked below. SoundCloud, Instagram, Poshmark, all this other crap. And yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace out. Enjoy that. Live it up.